Welcome, in front of me is a Stanley S241 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So once you find whatever thing you want to capture, you will need to have it open on the screen, and then all you need to do is just hold power key and the volume down simultaneously for a couple seconds, and you will find, or you will see this animation, and now the image can be found in the photo gallery. So if I open gallery and tap on it, this is basically the screenshot that we have just taken, also with the volume that I by mistake pressed. So that is how you do it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.